Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Polygon Matic. Right now seeing an 8.61% increase in just the last 24 hours up to $1.67. There's a lot of really news and bullish things to take a look at today regarding Polygon. Obviously, the big merger acquisition with Hermes, as well as so much more across the board going well for Polygon. So taking a look at the last week as well, we see about a 10.41% increase altogether, and then the last month with a very, very massive 141% increase. Polygon, in my opinion, is not done yet. We have definitely a push to an all-time high coming later in this year, or if not, by the end of the bull market at the very least. I do want to talk about price predictions, as well as a lot of news relating to Polygon like we do pretty much every day on the channel. So if you guys have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with Polygon, as well as so many other altcoins across the channel, like Chainlink, Polkadot, Stellar Lumens. There's so many out there. We talk about them all, and there's just so many great things happening in the crypto space. So if we actually take a look at the crypto space right now, we can see that we're up 2.36% in just the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's actually at 49.5K on a Sunday, continuing to rise. One thing you'll notice with weekends is usually we do not see really much positivity when it comes to crypto. And the fact is we went to 49.7K with Bitcoin just in this last couple of hours. So it's definitely looking very, very good for Bitcoin still. A lot of people hoping we get above this 50K resistance, and a lot of people excited about the future that could be coming along with it. If we take a look, though, there is a lot to regard or really kind of cover with Polygon. The first up, we have Matic and USDC. Deposits and withdrawals are now supported on Polygon POS mainnet on Crypto.com. What other exchanges would you like to see support for Polygon POS mainnet? A lot of people responding FTX official. We have some people talking about a bunch of different, we have Bitstamp, we have Binance.us, Polydodge. There's so many different, like I said, really answers and replies to this. I'm hoping they do grab something solid like Binance.us or even FTX. If we jump into another tweet, though, we see Filecoin is coming to Polygon. This is definitely huge. Filecoin, or Textile IO's Filecoin Polygon storage bridge, can store data from any Polygon address owner, accelerating the Web3 interoperability between Polygon and Filecoin ecosystems. This is a huge partnership. So obviously, a huge accessibility really add-on to Filecoin specifically. If we actually take a look, Filecoin will bring greater functionality to Polygon applications that require decentralized and verifiable data storage. So imagine the utility still really coming to Polygon quickly, and with utility continuing to build over time, Polygon's value should continue to rise with it. We also see Polygon talking about how they're excited to share the blockchain SC is coming up with exclusive ed series on Polygon. Great to see the community coming together and creating learning resources for developing on Polygon. Like I said, this is definitely big as well. The blockchain school, definitely a place a lot of developers use to really learn more about how to build on certain platforms or certain really in ecosystems altogether. So we also see QuickSwap DEX, I should say, introducing Dragon Syrup 30-day launch party. A sweet new way to really generate extra yield on QuickSwap DEX, starting with over 3.5 million in rewards. This will enable DQuick stakers to generate even more yield details. So they give you details on the QuickSwap DEX. Definitely something that will continue to be powered by Polygon and Ethereum. If we actually take a look here as well, we see Brendan from Dharma talking about y'all ready for L2s. USD, real fiat dollars, and obviously ETH on Dharma is about to be better pricing than Coinbase. He wants to try our Polygon beta. So this is huge. The fact that we're going to get better pricing on Polygon is going to definitely move more people to using Polygon as Polygon L2 comes closer and really continues to show how important it would be really for the future of Polygon altogether. So I want to talk also about tuning in and discussing critical topics such as ZK rollups, how Polygon is now doing 6 million transactions a day, and then the must know of the basics of Ethereum 2.0 with our very own VP of growth of Polygon, Arjun Kelsey. So we are seeing a lot of great things taking place, a lot more talks coming on. So this is actually Saturday, August 21st, 2021 at 10 a.m. So this meetup definitely going to be a big one. We also see a lot more going on. So we talked about this one in the past as well. Polygon announcing that decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, for the Web3 ecosystem. So Polygon will actually be forming a DAO to enable projects, developers, and the community to build a better DeFi Web3 ecosystem and take the industry to the next level. If you go down a little bit, they talk a little bit more about this. It's actually a very, very large article talking about these ZK rollups, as well as obviously, like I said, the ecosystem DAO initiative. So Polygon will be evolving the ecosystem DAO initiative in the coming weeks and months for and for months. For now, Polygon has actually started to piece together in the initial framework of the governance structure, while it, asks for community feedback to help shape and build the foundations upon which the DAO will stand. They actually go into detail about Polygon and how QuickSwap, we actually talked about QuickSwap and how that's working. So a range of Polygon integrated projects have already been approved to form the ecosystem DAO, including Chainlink, a decentralized blockchain oracle network, QuickSwap, a permissionless decentralized exchange or DEX based on Ethereum, and powered by Polygon Network's scalability infrastructure SushiSwap, an Ethereum-based decentralized exchange that lets you trade a wide range of tokens, and Aave, the biggest lending market on Polygon as well. So this is a lot of great details coming into us, from Yahoo Finance at the very least. And that's one thing to note is we are starting to see Polygon grab a lot bigger, larger articles at the very least, larger platforms where these articles are being produced and, talking about Polygon as a whole. And I think that's going to bring more retail as well as institutional investors on board, as it's going to continue to be up on their feed. They're going to continue to read and see more about these great coins. Obviously, mass adoption continuing to be a thing that a lot of people want to take place as the crypto space continues to grow. We also have an article talking about are Solana and Avalanche good holding options for an investor? And they kind of deep dive into it a little bit here. If we actually jump down, here we go. It goes without saying that Solana has been leading the latest altcoin rally just a couple of days back. Sold over through Uniswap and cemented its position in the top 10. The network has additionally been conquering the DeFi market space by giving Ethereum tough competition. Apart from the Wormhole Bridge launch, Solana's blockchain's first NFT platform, Solana Art, has been faring quite well really recently and lately. So we also see these factors in conjunction have rubbed off quite well on the altcoin's price. Then they go into details on Avalanche and the Helium network as well. We're just going to say, realistically, Solana has been doing very, very well. And here says, actually, after weighing in all the aforementioned factors, it would be fair to say that Solana and Avalanche present themselves as better hold options than compared to the likes of Helium and Audius. So they're just expecting these coins to actually do very, very well in the next couple of months. In my opinion, this bull market part 2 is going to be a great, really period of time for almost every altcoin in the crypto space. But Solana and Avalanche definitely safer bets that are going to continue to push forward. But let's talk about Polygon, or not Polygon, the Polygon solution. I'm trying to actually jump back. Let's see here. My article might have disappeared on me. I think my article did disappear on me. There is, more to come about with Polygon specifically. I did have Solana and Avalanche, this article up for the Solana video that we were going to do, the Avalanche video that we were going to do, but the Polygon article looks like it is actually gone. So I gave you a little bit of tad information on Solana, getting, a little mixed up there, but giving you guys a little extra, like I said, information on Solana. Let's jump back to Polygon, talk about the future of Polygon by the end of the year, and then also by the end of the bull market part 2. So the end of the year, Polygon could easily be seeing, like we said, in the past, we've talked about how well it's been doing, $1.67 now to $1.66, continuing that volatility, which will definitely continue to take place. I think by the end of the year, we could easily see, $2.50 to even $3. And then by the end of that bull market part 2, we could see much, much more. And these are very, very, like I said, realistic, conservative, reasonable price predictions for the most part. And I think by the end of the year, or really end of the bull market part 2, we could easily see price points around that $6 to $7 to $8 range. I think $6 to $8 is going to be within reason, honestly, with the Polygon Hermes acquisition merger that we talked about, and then the DAO announcement as well. And like I said, guys, sorry about bringing Solana and Avalanche into this. I did have an actual article talking about Polygon specifically and how it was a great hold, so it actually lined up perfectly. And one thing you'll notice is, Polygon's going to be around for a long time. They've done so much big things in the past, and I think it's going to continue to be a coin that a lot of people look forward to holding on to. So thank you guys again for tuning in. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know in the comment section down below. I really do appreciate you guys stopping by as we get closer to 100K subscribers. If you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. Like I said, we talk about Polygon as well as so many other coins pretty much daily on the channel, obviously featuring Solana and Avalanche as well. So thank you again. I'll see you guys all in the next one.